Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, March 26, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. A candle that's made a lower high and a lower low, but the previous day's candle began a first time frame uptrend by making a higher high and a higher low, and today's inside bar in bar chart terms doesn't change the trend, so the previous trend, which was to the upside, remains in force. For the previous day's trading, we had an indecisive spinning top type candle which was rejected from the 1555 level of resistance. It did set the market up for a potential change of trend back to the downside, but today's we've seen the buyers come back in force. A large white-bodied candle. It's in line with candles that have occurred within this small congestion area, and it does suggest that the buyers are now attempting to find some strong upside momentum to test the highs that we've seen recently, and the high around 1576. The buyers have closed with very strong control of this market, and they've been very strongly committed to taking this market throughout the trading day. The sellers have really shown no strength throughout the trading day today. Importantly, the market has closed in a strongly bullish manner up above the 1555 level of resistance, and that could be important for this market. There may be enough impetus now for the market to test up to this important 1576 level. We do, however, have the high here from the previous candle around this 1564, 1565 level, and that will be some fairly strong resistance to this market. The market was rejected from there yesterday, so let's watch how the market behaves. But it does seem as though this market is set up for this test to higher levels. If the market does trade through the 1576 level, then we do have potentially strong resistance up at the round number 1600 resistance level. So let's be aware of that if we do see the market appreciate over the next few trading days. To the downside, strong support just around the 1550 level. We've seen the market test just down below there on many occasions in the recent past. We closed down there only once in a bearish manner, but the sellers weren't strong enough to go on with that move, so very strong support down below 1550, extending down to around 1539. But even stronger support down around the 1523 level. We have the Kijun-sen trading down around there that makes that very strong support. The Tenkan-sen is trading just below the low of the current candle, and for previous day's trading we saw the market test down below there and be rejected from there. So the Tenkan-sen is holding a strong support for this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame uptrend that the market's in to the previous time the market was trending up, and it's only a one candle uptrend previously, so not a lot of information that we can take from this, but importantly, however, for the previous day's trading we saw the market rejected from near the 100% level and failed to close above the 61.8, the 50 and the 38.2% levels, but today the market has managed to close above all of those levels and close above the 78.6 in a bullish manner, and this does suggest that the market is destined for higher levels. We do need to watch, however, the 1566 level, the 100% level, and that is important to this market. But if the market does trade through there, the next level we have is the 161.8% at 1580. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we're now in an expansive mode of that. The market has traded through the 100% level, so our next target will be up around the 161.8%. We have closed in a strongly bullish manner up above there, and that does suggest that the market will test to this 161.8% level at 1571. Beyond there we do have a level at the 261.8% at 1589. Now in terms of Ichimoku, a bullish market in all three timeframes. The market's trading up above the cloud, so the market is bullish in the long-term timeframe. The market's also trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, so bullish in the medium, and bullish in the fast-term timeframe, but trading up above the Tenkan-sen. Interestingly, the Tenkan-sen is held in a zone as fairly solid support for this market. One bearish close down below there wasn't enough for the market to see any follow-through. So it does say something about the strength of the buyers. The buyers have been having a bit of a rest in this congestion area here. They are attempting to trade the market higher to not much success, and the 1555 level has held as resistance, as has the area up just above the 1563 to 1565 level. But today, with this solid bullish breakout above 59, the market is set up for a test to higher levels. The Chica span here is confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in all three timeframes. So, going with the our multi-timeframe analysis, with the market being bullish, having a bullish bias in all three timeframes, combined with the short-term dynamics, that is the buyers being strongly committed and in control of this market, it does suggest that this market is destined for higher levels, and a test to 1576 for tomorrow's trading wouldn't surprise.